Hello students, welcome to the online series of math classes. We are currently doing the topic differentiation. We have already done the topics chain rule, derivatives of implicit functions and inverse trigonometric functions. If you haven't watched those videos, kindly check out the link in the description below. So today we will be doing the topic derivatives of exponential functions. So what is the definition of exponential function? Let the b be any number. It is a positive number where b is greater than 1, and if y equal to f of x, which is equal to b power x, this is called as an exponential function. Simple as that. A power function. It is nothing but a power function, you can say. It is the exponential function. For example, y equal to 2 power x. Y equal to 2 power x is an exponential function because this b is greater than 1. It should be a positive number b greater than 1. So this is the exponential function. Now we have a note if base b equal to e, base b equal to e, then y equal to f of x equal to e power x. Y equal to f of x equal to e power x. Then this function is called as the natural exponential function. So note number 1, if the base b, this b equal to e, then y equal to f of x equal to e power x. It is called as a natural exponential function. Now what is this e? E is nothing but a constant. E is a constant whose value is approximately equal to 2.71. The value of e is approximately equal to 2.71. Next, if base b equal to 10, then y equal to f of x equal to 10 power x. Then this function is called as the common exponential function. This much you need to know. So you need to know what is an exponential function and what is the natural exponential function and common exponential function. Till now you have learnt what is an exponential function. Now we will do some sums regarding exponential function. We have exercise 5.4. We have these sums. First we learn the formulas. D by dx of e power x is nothing but e power x. So differentiate e power x, you get e power x same. Next, d by dx of e power x. Differentiation of e power x, where a is nothing but the coefficient. Where a is nothing but the coefficient. It is nothing but a into e power x. So coefficient you multiply. Remember in differentiation, if there is coefficient for x, we multiply. Next we have d by dx of log x. It is nothing but 1 by x. Next we will do some sums. Y equal to e power x divided by sin x. Now here, how to do this sum? We have a quotient u by v. We have to apply the quotient rule. What is u by v dash? U by v dash is vu dash minus v dash by v square. So this is u, this is v. So what is the value? dy by dx. Differentiation of this is differentiation of sin x into differentiation of e power x minus e power x into differentiation of sin x divided by sin x square. So v u dash minus u v dash. So this is sin x. What is differentiation of e power x? Differentiation of e power x is e power x minus e power x into differentiation of sin x is cos x divided by sin x the whole square. So this is the answer. This is dy by dx. Next question, y equal to e power sin inverse x. We have to differentiate. To differentiate this, look here. There are how many functions? This is exponential function a. Then to the power x. Instead of x, what is there? Sin inverse x is there. So there is one more function. So this is the first function. This is the second function. So if this forms a composite function. Now if this is a composite function, how to differentiate? We have to use the chain rule. First what we should do? First differentiate this. So dy by dx equal to e power sin inverse x dash. So this is first we have to differentiate which function? First function, exponential function. What is differentiation of e power x? It is e power x. So instead of x here there is sin inverse x. So it is e power sin inverse x. What we have done? We have differentiated the exponential function e power x. Instead of x there is sin inverse x. So it is e power sin inverse x. Next what we have to do? We have to differentiate sin inverse x. It is equal to e power sin inverse x. What is differentiation of sin inverse x? Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is the answer. Next we have y equal to e power x cube. How to differentiate this? Here also exponential function first. Next there is x cube. So that is a chain rule. So this is the first function. This is the second function. First you have to differentiate e power x. How to differentiate e power x? So dy by dx equal to e power x cube dash. So what is difference is now e power x? Difference is now e power x, e power x. Instead of x, what is there here? Instead of x, there is x cube. So it is e power x cube. Then we have to differentiate x cube. So it is e power x cube. What is difference is now x cube? 3x square. So this is the answer. Next we have y equal to sine of tan inverse of e power x. Now here look here, there are how many functions? There is sine function, first function, then there is tan inverse, second function, then there is e power minus x, third function. So there are 1, 2, 3, there are 3 functions. So this is a composite function. We have to apply chain rule here. How to apply chain rule? First differentiate sine. So dy by dx. Differentiate the sign. What is difference of sign? Difference of sign x is cos x. Instead of x, what is there here? Tan inverse of e power minus x. So it is cos tan inverse of e power minus x. So we differentiated this. Next, we have to differentiate the inner function. Differentiate tan inverse x. What is differentiation of tan inverse x? So it is differentiation of tan inverse of e power minus x. So it is cos of tan inverse of e power minus x. What is differentiation of tan inverse of e power minus x? Now, differentiation of tan inverse e power x. What is differentiation of tan inverse x? Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now, instead of x, there is what? E power minus x. So this becomes 1 by 1 plus e power minus x the whole square. So it is 1 by 1 plus x square. Instead of x, there is e power minus x. So 1 plus e power minus x the whole square. Next, we have to differentiate what? E power minus x the whole e power minus x. Now, so this is cos of tan inverse e power minus x. 1 by 1 plus e power minus x the whole square. Differentiation of e power minus x. What is differentiation of e power minus x? Differentiation of e power x is a into e power x. If there is any coefficient of x, you multiply the coefficient. So it is nothing but a into e power x. So here a is nothing but minus 1 into e power minus x. So this is nothing but the answer. So differentiation of e power x is a into e power x. So differentiation of e power minus x here, it is nothing but e power minus 1 into x. So when you differentiate, this becomes minus 1 into e power minus x. So this is the answer. Next we have fifth question, y equal to log of cos e power minus e power x. So here also there are how many functions? So this is the first function, this is the second function, this is the third function. There are 3 functions. So we have to differentiate first, then second, then third function. So take dy by dx equal to, first differentiate log x. What is differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Instead of x, what is there? Cos of e power x. So it is 1 by, instead of x there is cos e power x. So cos e power x. Next, differentiate the inner function cos of e power x. So it is 1 by cos e power x. Differentiation of cos e power x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Instead of x there is e power x. So minus sin e power x. Next, differentiate e power x. What is differentiation of e power x? It is e power x. So this is the answer. Next we have sixth question, y equal to e power x plus e power x square plus e power x power 5. E power x, we know the differentiation. What is differentiation of e power x square? After e there is x square. So this forms a composite function. We have to use the chain rule. Here also. So it is dy by dx. Now this is the sum. So differentiate this plus this. So it is e power x dash plus e power x square dash plus e power x power 5 dash. We are differentiating this plus this plus this. So this differentiation of e power x is nothing but e power x. What is differentiation of e power x square? Differentiation of e power x is nothing but e power x. So instead of x, here there is x square. So e power x square. Now instead of x there is x square. So differentiate x square. plus here e power x power 5. So differentiate. So differentiation of e power x is e power x. So e power x power 5. Next chain rule, we have to differentiate x power 5. So differentiate x power 5. So this is e power x plus e power x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x plus e power x power 5. Differentiation of x power 5 is 5 into x to the power 4. So this is the answer, e power x plus e power x square into inside function differentiation of x square is 2x plus e power x 5. Differentiation of e power x 5 is e power x 5 only into inside differentiation 5 into x to the power 4. This is the answer. Pause the video and take note. Here we will continue. Exercise 5.4, 7th question. Y equal to e root of e power root x, where x is greater than 0. Now how to solve this? Here there are how many functions? There is a root function. There is a root function. This is the first function. Then inside there is root e exponential function. This is the second function. Then again there is root x. This is the third function. So how to solve this? What is differentiation of root x? Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So first we have to differentiate the outer function root x. How to differentiate? So dy by dx. What is differentiation of root x? Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So instead of differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Instead of x, what is there here? Instead of x, there is e power root x. So 1 by 2 root e power root x. Next we have to differentiate e power root x. So this is 1 by 2 root e power root x. Differentiation of x is e power x only. So it is e power root x. Next we have to differentiate root x. So it is 1 by 2 root e power root x into e power root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. By now you should be thorough with the chain rule. You can do this in one step directly. So first differentiate root x, then differentiate e power root x, then differentiate 1 by 2 root x. You need not write 3 steps, you can do in one step only. Next, differentiation of log of log x. This is a composite function. First function, second function. Log, there is log x inside log. So differentiate dy by dx equal to differentiate log. What is differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by log x. Next we have to differentiate log x. Differentiation of log x. So it is 1 by log x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So this is the answer. Next we have 9th question. Cos x by log x. How to differentiate? This is the quotient u by v. So dy by dx equal to log x into differentiation of cos x minus cos x into differentiation of log x by log x square. So this is log x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x minus cos x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x divided by log x the whole square. So it is u by v. So vu dash minus uv dash by v square. So log x into differentiation of cos x minus cos x into differentiation of log x by log x square. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Next 10th question. Cos of log x plus e power x. So here this function is inside cos. So we have to apply the composite rule. So this is the first function. This is the second function. So we get the dy by dx. Differentiation of cos. What is differentiation of cos? Differentiation of cos is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos is minus sin x. So instead of x, what is there? Instead of x, there is log x plus e power x. So it is minus sin log x plus e power x. Next we have to differentiate the inner function log x plus e power x dash. So it is minus sin log x plus e power x. What is differentiation of log x plus e power x? This is the sum, so we differentiate this plus differentiation of this. What is differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus differentiation of e power x is e power x. So this is the answer. So we solved all the sums. So here we are applying mainly chain rule and this formulas. So take note. So pause the video and take note. Hence we conclude this video on exponential functions. For more videos on differentiation, check out the link in the description below. Thank you.